Hi, it's Steve again from SensibleSolarPower.com, and we're here today to talk about LED lighting and why that's important in a solar power supply. And the reason is quite simple. When you're talking about lighting, typically people use one of these. This is a bulb. This happens to be an incandescent bulb, but the problem is pretty much the same with a halogen or other type. And the problem is that you want light out of these. And in order to get light out, you have to put energy in. So the measure of the efficiency of this little guy is the number of lumens that you get per watt. And an incandescent lamp is typically going to give you around 8 to 10 lumens per watt. And if you go up to a compact fluorescent light, that will get you 20 to 30 lumens per watt. And there are now LED lights that are available, and they're around 40 to 50 lumens per watt. But there's only one way to get much better than that, and that's to do something like this, which is to use an LED. Well, we don't make the LEDs, we just use them, and there are a new species of very high efficiency LED available today, but they require some amount of circuitry around them in order to drive them at their most efficient point. So this little assembly here, this will produce light in excess of 110 lumens per watt. So what that means is that for the same amount of light, you get about a 90% power reduction compared to this guy. So the way we would approach this is we take a common fixture. This is a low voltage fixture, which we can retrofit, or we can retrofit basically any fixture. And in order to go from what's available now to this proprietary LED technology, all we have to do is take the LED on the board and put it in the fixture. So why is this different than the LED lights that are available today? Well, in order to save cost, what happens is that you'll find a bunch of these little LEDs strung together in order to get to the line voltage that is typically attached to. And without the intelligent electronics to go around it, you don't get the high efficiency. So why don't people do the intelligent electronics? Well, the reason why is that it's expensive. So what we've done is we've reduced our proprietary technology to a chip. Information on our proprietary chip is available on our website, and that solves the cost problem, and it's also quite simple to use. So that allows us to get very high performance, very high efficiency, and at a very reasonable cost.